Next, we are moving to part 2 of the manual, software installation. Open the Manufacturer folder. Select Manufacturer Setup to install the software. If the installation fails, please run Manufacturer Installer first. Then, run VC Redis to complete the setup. After the installation is complete, use the USB Type-C cable to connect the printer to your computer. Plug in the power cord and turn on the printer. If the computer is connected to the internet, turning on the machine will automatically install the driver. If there's no internet connection, please manually install CDM setup, which is located in the USB drive. Go back to the desktop and open Manufacturer. Upon force opening the software, you will be prompted to select the corresponding COM port. Click the Connect button. If the connection is successful, a success message will appear. Return to the USB drive to copy the serial code. Paste the code into the input field and click Validate. Once you see the message, Welcome to Manufacturer, the installation is complete.